Door cactus is one of my favorite ways to stretch out the pecs throughout my day. All you need for door cactus is either a door or an opening that's just wide enough for you to get your arms out to a cactus. So cactus, I also call goalpost arms. Arms go straight out from your shoulders and elbows bend at 90 degrees. From here, you'll walk into a door frame and then lean. I typically start upright and then walk my feet back. Take a few deep breaths. On your next in or exhale, come up, you shake it out. Let's do it again. Arms come back out to cactus. You may notice you might be able to go a little deeper. You walk your feet further back and to really focus on stretching out your pectoralis minor, which does internal shoulder rotation. You want to focus on maybe pressing into the hands and lean forward. Trying to relax the shoulders away from the ears. And coming up, again, shaking it out. This time we're going to add some PNF stretching, and that's going to help us get a little bit deeper by pressing in to the door frame. Lean in and then use your chest muscles to press your forearms and your hands into the door, trying to lift away from the door, and then relax the muscles and allow yourself to fall in a little deeper. Try that again. Press the arms into the wall, into the door frame, lifting your chest and your torso away from the ground, and then relax, getting a little deeper. One last time, press into the door frame, engage those muscles. Don't forget to breathe, and relax. Take a few deep breaths, sink into the stretch, and come up. Shake it out. Maybe do a few shoulder rolls. And next time you see a door frame, give yourself a little cactus door frame stretch. If you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe.